Hai, aku nak sama koffie. Hoe eet my koffie nak? Ja. Silakan die ketel is aan. Daar is die ketel aan. Ja, ketel is aan. Ik ga gelijk die koffiemuziek opdoen. Hier is die koffie. En dit is de suiker. Ja. Zoveel koffie. Hij is geen nog van mij. My suiker.
Robertson Winery is 85 years old this year. Why is business banking so complicated? We are fast track fintech station. We need banking to be simple so we can focus on making great wine. Capitec funding has been essential for our growth. Pitching was making easy. Who doesn't want to save a couple of brands? We bank on trust, faster car machines, dependable bankers.
Ik drink die suiker net. Ik drink 3 bij 8. Nou drink ik 4 en suiker en dat. De koffie is normaal is. Ja, en die water is klaargekookt. En die water ingooien. Kook in de water. Ja. En met een beetje achter toestaan.
What if was listening to seeing the sheriff of the court clientele setting? They sorted it out for me and really thought the car you sold me has problems. I'm returning it. Consumer disputes, contractual issues, and motor vehicle accidents. After the accident, the clientele helped me a lot. I got paid
Die melk.
in our state. Services at an affordable price. Clientele Legal gave me back my financial freedom. They gave me back my future. Clientele Legal, secure choice. Thank you, Clientele Legal. Your legal policy gives you free acting prices.
En my koffie is gereed.